Alright guys, you know what, screw the beatboxing, just get this video over with. It's another toy review one, but I've tried to do this 2 times. The internet is horrible. Honestly, I don't even know why I'm filming. Just thought I should. I've literally got to cut it. This is the hardest thing. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. Skull crawler, battle damage. I opened it in the first attempt. Battle damage, you see. And the skin. And then also the Hollow Earth gravity vehicle. No, Hollow Earth anti-gravity vehicle. And the Mega Raptor, which I am currently trying to open, but I can't because this has such a stupid box design. Now I've got the hardest bit. You know that? So do you guys at home get these toys where there are these little black things on the bottom? They're so annoying. Finally. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me. Turns out this is actually a lot harder than I thought. But there we go, a tailless Triceraptor. No, not a Triceraptor, Mega Raptor. Yeah, it didn't come with a tail. So I had to buy the tail online. Yeah, makes a cool noise. And here you guys are if you have the Jurassic World app and you want to scan it. But yeah, that's pretty much everything to this thing. I know, this is a short one. But yeah, you know what we're doing if these two were to come in a fight. Skull crawler, obviously, because if we're talking real size, Skull crawler could just crush the Mega Raptor. And those Mega Raptors are absolutely huge, and look at the range of its jaw. That is not a normal Skull crawler size. But here it's actually got quite nice articulation, and with the arms. Yeah, so is this one with the legs and arms and tail. But yeah, that's all for today. RT King Gaming out.